All right, we've just completed the group web design evaluation module, and I'd like to do a in-class activity, which would pretty much take the rest of the time that we have. It all depends, because when you're done with this in-class activity and I have checked your work, you are then free to go. So let's take a look at what I'm going to have you do today. All right, what I'm going to have you do today is, or this evening, is you are going to take this file that has errors in it and fix them. I call this activity code correction. Now, I've provided you a file in Blackboard in this particular module. There it is at the bottom of the module, called codecorrection.zip, used for in-class activity. Please take some time now and download that file. Once you have downloaded the file, you will extract that file or unzip that file, and there will be one file within that extracted.zip folder that gets created. That file is called index.html. It will look something like this. Okay? Something like this. Your job is to correct all the errors that are in this file. Okay? So this means you take the file and you do what you think is appropriate to correct the errors. Okay? Now here are some guidelines. One of the guidelines is that I want you to write down the number of errors you found, right? So you're checking and you're thinking, all right, there are 2 errors, and so you made just 2 tick marks. And you call me over and say, okay, I found all the errors, and I'm going to say, how many tick marks you got? You're going to say 2, and I'm going to say, well, sorry, you need to find a few more. Okay? The second thing is that you're not allowed to delete elements or add any new elements. No adding or deleting of elements. You are simply to correct the errors. Okay? You're simply there to correct the errors. And those are the 3 requirements or rules behind this activity. Mark down the number of errors you think you found. No removing of any elements, and no adding of any new elements. Your job is to simply correct the problems. Okay? All right. Have at it, and let me know when you're done. I'd like to see your work.